Hi there, welcome to this talk on JShell. Before we dive into JShell, let's take a look at the regular Java development workflow. We as developers are of course very curious, and sometimes we have these small experiments that we want to see what the output would be. For example, today I feel like playing around with the left shift operator. So now this is some Java code I want to execute. So how would I go about doing this? Well, it's simple, right? I'm going to create a class and then create a main method and then write my code. Am I done yet? No. Then I'll have to compile my code and then run it. Simple, right? So this seems like an awful amount of steps for this innocent left shift code I'm writing here. Now, of course, some of us with more experience will say, write it in a unit test. Now, sure, that is one way to go about it, but now we have the responsibility of reverting that unit test to its original state, and we risk breaking it and not fixing it. So here comes JShell. JShell is a tool that comes with Java 9 and is a REPL. And a REPL is simply a place where I can read, evaluate, print, and loop. To start the JShell, simply type JShell on the command line. If this does not work, it's most likely that your path is misconfigured. Please take a look at previous presentations where I describe how you can set up your Java home and path environment variables. Now inside JShell, I can type statements. I can type something like system.out.println hello JShell. And sure enough, it prints out what I asked it to. But here I can take it one step further. I can execute the same thing. Now, did you see a difference between this line and the previous one? Yes, that's right. I just typed a Java statement without a semicolon. After 22 years, this is quite exciting, isn't it? Well, don't get too excited, because this only works in the JShell. But if you need to pause the video and just get a hold of your breath again to notice this feature, please do so. Alright, you're back. So now we can revisit that innocent left shift operation I was talking about earlier and just execute it here and then on the command line. No nonsense, right? So I have merely scratched the surface of JShell. In fact, we haven't done much. So in the next presentation, we'll take a look at some nice shortcuts that come within the JShell. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.